What?
The boys wanted to name one of them Rocket, like Guardians of the Galaxy.
More like Red Rocket, because he's fucking got a boner for that other one.
What?
It's a thing. I hate cuddly shit, for real. It pisses me off. Hey, Red Rocket. Red Rocket. God. You know they're up to no good. They got bandit masks.
They're adorable. What are we going to name the other two?
Butthead.
No.
And Beavis. You want to see something really hot, people? Hot! Oh. Oh, now you can call me Red Rocket. Eating watermelon and peanuts. And tangerines.